Hey guys, Cameron here. Have you ever made a mayonnaise, hollandaise or aioli and split it and thought that was the end and had to throw it? I'm going to show you how to recover that today and what you can do. I've got my aioli here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump a heap of oil in, make it split, and I'm going to show you how if you've added the oil too fast, you can save it at home, and it's pretty easy. So you can see here we've got the aioli. I'm just going to dump a heap in, and you can see what I was talking about was slowly adding the oil so that you don't split it. And you can see here we've got this split sauce where it's absorbed some of it, but not all of it. Oh no, it absorbed it. Bugger. I've made too good of an aioli. I've literally doubled this now. Yeah, so that's what we want. We want a nice curdled sauce there, and I'm going to show you how to save that, and so you don't have to start again. All you need is another 2 egg yolks. So just going to separate them again, yolks and whites. Come on. Got my bowl saver here again. Just going to mix them up. Just going to add another 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And then all we do is we slowly this time being the important part, just add the curdled mixture to the new base. And so I really want you to see just how bad that looks, so you can see what we've started with and what we're going to end up with. This is one of those things, being a young fella, trying to go too fast, get through the prep that you do, and you end up splitting your sauce. So you do it again and you think, stuff it, I'm going to go real quick again, and you split it again. And the third time you finally learn the lesson to just be slow. Scrape the last of that out of there. There you have it. That is how you recover a split mayonnaise, aioli, hollandaise, or any form of emulsification that is egg-based.